Welcome to a quick DIY video. Now, this window right here, I'm trying to open it, but I cannot. See? I'm trying to pull it up. I don't know if you can see behind the blinds here. I'm trying to pull it up, but I can't open it. So, this should be an easy solution, y'all, because what usually happens is that, let's say if the window was not open, in a while, it might get stuck, or if they had paint over it, like you see the sides right here, the paint, when it dries, it might help, the window staying shut. That way you can't, push it back open. So quick solution, you can have any sharp tools, all you gotta do is go through the edges, make sure they're separated. That way, you can do that inside and out. That way you can just open the window. So let's see how I can get this done quickly. It's important to be careful so you don't break the glass. That's super important. See? I can see that it was stuck here. I think it might be good, actually. Whoa! You see that? Not hard at all. Not hard at all. That's it. There's really nothing to it, guys. That's all it is. So don't forget to follow, subscribe, comment, so you don't miss any of our other videos.